Hello, you guys. Today I'm going to be presenting my user profiles for Blueberry Cosmetics. So let's get started. On the first one, we have Emerald Johnson. She is a 25-year-old that is married and has one child. She is an inspiring young woman that is wanting to make a difference in the world. She attended college and got a 4-year bachelor's degree in speech pathology. She really enjoyed those first 4 years in college to get her bachelor's degree. She happened to land a job at the hospital to diagnose and treat communication disorders. So each patient that she has to communicate with that patient a little bit differently than she did with the patient before, because you cannot treat every single patient that you have the exact same. Each patient has their own needs and things that you have to tend to, and she understands that and she knows how to go about those things. She also provides counseling to patients and their families. So if the patient is having a little bit of a harder time with the treatment that she is trying to do with them, she can, of course, talk them through it, and not only talk the patients through it, but if the families are having a little bit of a harder time understanding what is going on, she can also explain to the families what is going on. Emerald enjoys what she does, and the people that she helps. Her goal is to get her master's degree in speech pathology. She enjoyed learning so much with her bachelor's degree that she wants to go back to school and learn more, because she's the type of person that loves to just continue to learn new things about what she is doing and how she can treat patients and how she can help them get through what they're going through. With that master's degree, she wants to become an occupational therapist, but for now, she wants to gain work experience and work her way into gaining more and more knowledge, because that knowledge is very important to her, because she does want to be the best that she can in her career. With that, in her free time, she enjoys going shopping with her daughter and buying affordable things. She is very loyal to the makeup brands that she uses. She likes brands that are health conscious and bunny approved and eco-friendly. Having these things helps her feel comfortable with the things she's putting on her face while also feeling natural and beautiful. So, Blueberry Cosmetics is a great fit for her, because Blueberry Cosmetics is very eco-friendly and bunny approved, and they think about those things and they know that this is what the world is moving into, is people are wanting things that are good for their skin. And Emerald, if she wants to go to work with a full face of makeup on one day, she wants it to be good for her skin. She wants her skin to feel good after she takes off the makeup. She doesn't want her pores to feel clogged or anything, but she also, if she doesn't want to wear makeup to work one day, she doesn't have to. She can still feel beautiful, because the makeup that she is putting on her face is not bad for her skin. Both her and her husband work during the day, so making time to hang out with family is very important to her. Planning fun things for all three of them to do is also very important to her, since her daughter is also in school. So her and her husband want to go on a date night. She can have fun doing that, and she wants to plan something for her husband, and her daughter to go do, like going to a picnic or going to the park or going to the zoo, my bad. She wants to do those things so that their family is still close-knit and important to all of them. So yeah, that is my first user profile. Let's move on to the second one. Here we have Autumn Edwards. Autumn is 16, she's single, and she is a sophomore in high school. In her free time, she enjoys hanging out with her friends and going shopping when she can. She is saving up the money to go to college later in life so she can have a more stable job than just babysitting. So she sets aside fun money so that she can go have fun with her friends, go shopping when she can, because she is saving up for college, and that is very important to her. So she sets majority of her money aside for college so that she can go and do that, because that's something that she wants for herself. And she knows she wants it, so she's going to work for it. She babysits for her mother's coworkers that enjoy going out almost every single weekend. Not only do the parents adore her, but all the kids do as well. She's a natural when it comes to children. The parents enjoy that they can get some time away from their kids while Autumn entertains them. So, of course, parents being parents, they enjoy going on dates, they enjoy going to a concert or some of those things, and they enjoy having someone that they can rely on to watch those kids, and they know that she is, anytime they ask, she will most likely say yes, not only because she enjoys taking care of the kids, but she is saving up for something that she wants in life. And these kids, they all look up to her, they all adore her, they all want to be like her whenever they grow up because she is just so kind and she cares about these kids, and she loves the kids. She enjoys taking care of them. She enjoys getting to know all of them and all of that fun stuff. So not only is babysitting really important to her because of the kids, but she's also making money while doing something that she loves, which is also very fun to her. So Autumn is very up to date with all the trends that are going on at school and on social media. She keeps up with the fashion part in her age group. Along with that, she enjoys messing around with makeup. She likes to stay on the natural side most of the time, but when she does wear makeup, she wants it to be good for her skin. So, of course, Blueberry Cosmetics, it is eco-friendly, it is bunny approved, it is health conscious. So for a 16-year-old that has very beautiful skin like she does, she wants her skin to stay that way. She doesn't want to put anything on her face that's going to cause her to break out, because breaking out at the age of 16 is very scary because you start to feel insecure about those things. So she wants to feel comfortable with the things that she is putting on her face so that whenever she takes it off, she's not going to have any problems, any acne or anything like that. So, and of course, she doesn't wear makeup to go babysitting. She doesn't put makeup on to go on a hike or anything like that. If she puts on makeup, it's because she's doing something important or something like that, like going to prom or going to winter formal or going to homecoming or going on out with her friends. She wants to feel beautiful. So if she puts on makeup for that, she puts on makeup for that. And she learns a lot of the techniques that all of these people use because she watches a lot of YouTube videos and stays up to date on new things that are coming out and new techniques that you can use to do your makeup. So she really enjoys everything about makeup and about the fashion world. So yeah, those are my 2 user profiles. I really hope that they fit Blueberry Cosmetics the way that y'all would like them to. So yeah, there you guys go.